quick update on here. We actually managed to do the first, well, not 5 meters as we anticipated, but more like first 3 meters, which have, I think we spent approximately like 5 to 6 days on it. As you might have seen, it just took a lot of time for us to a little bit acquaint to the situation with the woodworms and various other things. Since we closed down now, we are attacking the next kind of 5 meters, a little bit also in dependence to the rain cover that we have in place in order to cover the roof should it rain. And Nico is already hitting it here. He can't wait to attack the next 5 meters. So yeah, let's get to it. We're just cutting open the middle, since it's actually concrete. And then the next part to do is a little window here in the staircase. And this will be the first thing we're gonna look at today. That side's done. We had some serious run-in with wasps again. Nico starts to really love wasps, I think.
Oh my god.
He's gonna join the wasp
Wasp team.
the wasp team. Mr. Wasp. After 100 stings you're done. No, but essentially here we see the staircase underneath, and they've actually recovered it with some bricks, which is interesting. And they are hooked to the vertical beams with barbed wire, with wire hooks basically. So we will most probably have to take the ceiling away, because we have to unfortunately change those beams as well. They're in a much worse condition than anticipated. So that would be the woodworm team. That's the one I'm in. Yep.